You may have noticed this trend lately. Browsers are getting smarter, more agentic, and some are even shipping with the built-in machine learning models. Lately, I have been experimenting with this local language model and built a few extensions for Zoho Desk. And currently, it is supported only in Chrome, particularly 138 or above. But the W3C machine learning group has released the draft specification, so it may eventually end up in all the browsers. Fingers crossed. Okay, let's take a look at this translator plugin. Let's click on any thread and click translate. Under the hood, there are actually two models. The first one is the language detector model. It detects the language of the source text. And the second model is the translator model. It translates this text from the source language to the target language. Now let's select Tamil as the target language and hit translate. Voila, it translated instantly. How cool is it? There is no API call to the server. Your data stays with you and never leaves your computer. And there is no latency at all. And the best thing is, it even works offline since it is a local language model. Let's select another thread and select Tamil or any language as the target language. And now let's turn off the network in the network panel. Okay, it's set to offline. And now let's try to translate it. Voila, it translated instantly even when there is no connection at all. Now let's take a look at the summarization model. Summarization is pretty simple. Click on this more action and select summariser. It summarizes the whole ticket neatly. I want to talk about two things here. First one is the context length. Even the native Zia summarization doesn't summarize well because it accounts only for latest 5 to 10 threads, I guess. We could easily solve this problem via this extension and get a good quality output. Since it is a local model, the latency is pretty low comparatively and there is no cost involved. Of course, the context length applies here, but when we are dealing with a large ticket data, we could split the data into smaller chunks, summarize each chunk, and then summarize those summaries. In this way, summary will have the context of whole ticket. And the second one is that this summary is pretty good. It accounts for all threads and command, but it is very general. Customer might want to summarize their ticket in a particular way. So what we can do is to get a template and then use it as a context for summarization. In this way, customer will get a unique, helpful summaries catered for their business. Now let's look at the AI assistant. The idea is pretty simple. This assistant will have the entire ticket detail in its context, so you can ask any question regarding this ticket. Okay, let's say hi. Okay, can you summarize this ticket in French? Yeah, it does its job pretty well. And let's ask it some other question like, what's the response time of the agent mobile? Approximately 1 hour 36 minutes. Okay, let's ask what's the current status of this ticket? Escalated to the hardware team for further investigation. Yeah, it is on point. From my experiment, it is actually pretty helpful. It has the context of this entire ticket. I could ask any question regarding this ticket and it answers me instantly, even when there is no internet connection. Right. So yeah, that's all the demo that I have. Try out these demos and your comments and feedbacks are much appreciated.